Hi, everyone. My name is Kelly Stahauer, and I'll be your instructor for Introduction to Website Design. A little bit about me. I've been a web designer for over 20 years. I graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Information Systems from Grand Valley State College the year before it was a university. I started out as a COBOL programmer back in the day and purchased um, a large HTML book because I decided I wanted to work from home because I have kids, little kids at home. So I taught myself how to do web design back in the day, and it was really, really difficult, but I did it. I've worked for a couple of different web design companies, and I've also owned my own web design business for over 10 years. This course will introduce you to some of the fundamental basics of website design. We'll start with HTML, which is the structure behind every website. We'll talk about CSS, which is how you do the design aspect of a website, and it also adds some functionality to it. And then last, we'll talk about a little bit about JavaScript, which adds even more functionality to it. The two main items are HTML and CSS. We'll also talk about best practices when it comes to layout and responsive design and working with clients, that type of thing. By the end of the course, you will design your own website project, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of those. My expectations are first and foremost, I want to emphasize the core principle of respect. I will not respond to any emails that are disrespectful, and I expect respect on all the forum posts from all of you to each other and to me as well. And that should be a given, but I'm just going to say it, okay? Website design is a collaborative effort, okay? It's not just about you. When you're a designer, you work with other designers, you work with project managers, you work with the client. There's a lot of people involved in it, so you need to learn how to collaborate and how to communicate well. Always use professional grammar um, in your correspondence, even your emails. That's really important. So the structure of this class. This is obviously an online class with pre-recorded tutorials, and so that you can take it whenever best works for you, for your time schedule. However, with that said, I would like you to start earlier in the week than later in case you have questions, which I'm sure you will, I can guarantee it. This is a pretty detailed class. It involves coding and processes and tweaking and changing, so give yourself some time. All right. And I am not available 24/7. Email me and I will respond back to you usually within 24 hours. And I'm pretty good at that. However, don't wait till the last minute, please. It won't help you and it won't help me help you. Let's see, you will be asked to participate in the forum. Again, respectfully, okay? With all your comments, there's going to be some critiquing. Web design's all about critiquing. There's never been a website that I've created that ended up the exact same way I started with the design, because you collaborate between the client and your ideas, and there's just a lot of variables involved in that. So just be okay with critique. Critique is good. It will help you get better, but also give you different ideas you might not have thought of. Not that you have to follow everybody's critique, but what I'm just saying is you will expand your own ideas when you listen to other people's thoughts and perspectives. If you do have a question, please email me. My email is in the syllabus. I also have in the syllabus a list of items that I'd like you to include in that email so that I can best help you. If you do not provide me with details, it makes it really difficult because I'm not good at reading minds. And I want to be able to give you a really good answer and the support that you need to do a really good job in this class. Let's see. We talked about, so also email me first, and if I need to set up a phone conversation with you, I will, or we can do a Zoom meeting, whatever works best. But always start with email so I have everything in writing. That's really helpful to me and also helpful to you. What do I expect from you? Number one, don't cheat. Do not use AI for any of your answers, for your quizzes, tests, assignments, uh, projects, anything like that, I will know. Trust me, I'm really good at seeing that. And if you do, if you cheat, you get enough. It's done. You're worth more than that. Use your own brain. That's why God gave you one. Plus, I know that you're very creative and you can do this. And the only way to learn is to do it on your own. So please do not use AI. You'll get caught. Also, if you have questions, don't hesitate to post that question on the topic discussion board because other people probably have the exact same question and would like an answer as well. And then let me say just a couple things. First of all, be creative, be you. The great advantage to being a designer, a website designer, is that you get to use your creativity. You get to be different than everybody else. Don't copycat anyone. Come up with your own ideas. Okay, that's what makes a great web design is that it stands out from the crowd. Okay, you have to use branding, you have to use the client's colors, schemes, theme, that type of thing, but think out of the box. That's the fun part about this entire field. And then also it's a skill that you grow into, okay? It's constantly changing, technology is changing, but also your ideas and your concepts change over time. So allow yourself the freedom to do that, okay? Because you will get better. And I can't say that I've ever done two website designs exactly the same. I always try to give it a unique twist so it's its own. It can stand on its own 2 feet. So I enjoy the opportunity to work with you this semester, and I know it will be amazing. Have a fantastic day.